Right now, Disney Vacation Club is remodeling the rooms at their Bay Lake Tower Resort, and based on the stain and ripped hallway carpets during our most recent stay in August 2024, it's about time. Bay Lake is our favorite resort, and even though we're happy about the renovations, we love these pictures and hate to see them go. Well, the renovations started in September of this year. In November, we noticed a popular YouTuber's video displaying these pictures at the Forever Vintage Disney-focused resale shop in Winter Haven, Florida. So we drove down there a couple of days later and snagged these two beauties. They had a big selection of the other artwork from the other Bay Lake rooms as well, but we bought the last of the larger Mickey spaceship prints. The frames are a little banged up, but so are our walls, and they match the mid-century modern decor in our small dining area perfectly. It is not hyperbole to say that owning these are a dream come true. If you're as big a fan of these as we are, the owner at Forever Vintage said she would be getting more of them soon. Thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more Paradise Today.